Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create a tab component. So let me show you how this is working. So for example, I click on the tab 2. So this section will be coming tab 2 section, tab 3, tab 4, tab 5. So this is how the tab component is working. So we are going to create this step by step. Okay. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to write tab 1. Okay, the, the font size will be 16. Okay, and then hold on shift and then click on A. Okay, now I want a stroke, not all four sides but the bottom one. Okay, so let's change it to this shade, not the pure black. Okay, the same goes with the text. Okay, done. So just replicate this one, and here what we are going to do is we are going to delete the stroke here. Okay, so basically this will be the unselected one. Okay, so for example, I'm going to name it, okay, unselected, and then tab selected. Okay, done. Now select both of them. If you want to add fill also, you can add it. Okay, and then select both of them, and then click on the components here, components drop down here, and then click on the create component set. Okay, that's it, done. Now I'm going to take an instance of this component. Okay, instance is basically just a copy of the component. Okay, so we are going to take this. Okay, and then click on control plus D to duplicate this section. Okay, done. Now select both of them and then shift plus A. Okay, I think so. I duplicated it 2 times. Let me delete it. Yeah. Select both of them and then shift A. Done. Now name it as tab 2. Okay. Now here I'm just, as an example, I'm using tab 1, tab 2. So it depends on the project or the section where you are working. So the name will be that related to that topic. It will not be tab 1, tab 2. So initially, to create a component, maybe you can use this kind of placeholders. Tab 3, tab 4, and then maybe tab 5. Done. Okay. Now we are going to duplicate this thing. Okay. So in the first one, tab 1 will be selected. So how we are going to basically do that? Now if I come to this tab here, if I select on this one, you will, in the properties panel, you will find here under component 9, there is this section, there is this drop down here. So this has two options here, that is the tab selected and tab unselected that we just created, the component which we just created here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the tab selected. So here basically what I'm creating is, like, in this state tab 1 is selected. Let me name it as tab 1. Okay, now in the tab 2 here, it, the tab 2 is selected, so select on this one. Okay, now quickly repeat the same process here. Okay, you need to make it unselected. Okay, and then tab 3 to selected one. So I'm going to repeat this process, and maybe at the last I'm going to name it properly. Okay, done. um, yeah. Okay, one issue is there. I feel the unselected one here should be little bit of lighter color, because here it looks almost same, right? So I'm going to make this text a little bit lighter in color. Okay, looks better, I guess. And also make sure this is regular. Okay, this was medium and this is regular. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to rename it tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, and tab 5. Okay, select all of them, click on this component drop down here, and then click on the create component set. Done, right? So now I'm going to take a frame. Let me take this one, and let's delete this one. Let's use this one. Okay, okay. I'm going to maybe increase the padding here a little bit. Okay. So now let's duplicate this frame here. Okay, and then select on this component, go to the properties panel. Here you will find the drop down, select on tab 2. Done. This is one advantage of if you name your components properly, then it's very easy for you to select it. Okay, just duplicate this one and then select on this one and then tab 3. Done. Okay, I'm going to tab 4 and tab 5. Done. Now let me change this to tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, and tab 5. Okay. Now we are going to connect this. Okay. So I'm going to connect it in this way. For example, tab 1. Okay. Use the multi-edit variants here. So this makes the process faster. Okay. Tab 2. I'll connect to the tab 2 page. Tab 3. This page. Tab 4. And tab 5. Connected. Now let's see if it is working. Now let's see if it is working. Okay, so yeah, it's working. Okay, so let me tell you, I have used an underline, right? So you can, you can create any type of style you want. For example, if you want the background to be highlighted, so you can change the background in that case, the background color, or anything you want, right? So I created like this, so you can edit it in whatever way you want. So that is it for this video. Okay, let me know if you have got any doubts related to this topic. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.